This is a flock of birds. They move in what looks like a random manner, and there's no designated leader. But if one bird feels that the wind has changed, it will take initiative and lead the flock in a new direction. This is a flock of traders, and much like birds, they can move the market up and down by following the one with the newest information within seconds, depending on how the wind blows. On June 24th last year, Netflix stock was trading up calmly. 2 days prior to that, the company had announced a stock split. This was good news for investors. Along comes a bird, a big bird. US hedge fund manager Carl Icahn tweets that he just sold the last of his Netflix position. I was alerted of this tweet through the Flockpit system, and I tweeted about it myself, and waited. Within minutes, Netflix stock price lost 2.5%. By the end of the day, the losses extended to almost 4%, wiping $1.7 billion of Netflix market cap. Traders and risk managers had been caught off guard. Situations like this one happen almost every day, and social media bears a huge potential for investors. Even the European Central Bank published a paper saying that Twitter bullishness is a leading indicator on index returns the following day. So we went to work. My co-founder, Gaspard Coudier, used to work as a database architect and predictive analyst for the Eurozone's largest company, Total. I used to trade equities and currencies for companies like Société Générale and ING. And both of us worked at an HFT trading firm before creating Flockpit, crowd intelligence for event-driven investment. Flockpit uses social data to make better and safer investments. This is the Flockpit dashboard. Financial institutions can use it to track what's happening on social media and is related to the markets. You can see which stocks are trending right now, follow the discussions that are moving Twitter and shaking the markets, and get eyewitness news that hits social media before anything else. We score each single user in order to pick out the influencers and separate the news from the noise. Of course, you can also graph activity, impact, and 2 dimensions of sentiment. This is great if you're trying to find new trends, and you could, for instance, check how many people plan to go shopping on Black Friday and accurately predict spending. You know who's going to get the flu next, and you can evaluate which companies are meeting consumer needs on a massive scale. You can even check which politicians are upsetting people most. This gives investors a new way of looking at the world and finding the rising stars. It's a great tool if you're an analyst, consultant, portfolio manager, or journalist, a human being. Now, what if you're a machine? Today, about 85% of trading is done algorithmically. So we decided to quantify social media. Flockpit calculates 6 indicators that can be fed straight into algorithmic trading systems and financial models. We offer very fast analytics. It takes us less than 4 milliseconds to treat a tweet, meaning that an algorithm can act on it before a human eye even has time to see it. We offer subscriptions to our data stream and, of course, the dashboard. Traders can use it to find new trading ideas every day. Portfolio managers, analysts, and consultants can use it to spot trend and find hidden opportunities. Regulators can use it to investigate on social media, and hedge funds can feed it straight into their trading engines. And very importantly, social media data can be used to manage and contain risk. Our impact indicator is highly correlated with volatility and can be used to predict micro crashes up to minutes before they happen. This means that you can downgrade your exposure before the markets go crazy. Currently, we're in talks with several trading systems and data vendors to integrate our analytics, allowing us to reach over 600,000 end users. We're currently closing our funding round. You can demo the dashboard at flockpit.com and come talk to me about getting the bird's eye view on the world that you invest in.